So we got a lot of patients that ask us about scraping, Grastoning, or Gua Sha. All very similar techniques, but it requires one of these metal tools. These are just one of them. There's many different types. So scraping is all about breaking up fascia and adhesions in the muscle, right? So sometimes when we have like a tight muscle, we have pain, that can be from that adhesion. The adhesion is usually between the fascia and the muscle, and it makes things kind of not glide and slide like they should. It makes it really tight. So what we like to use is the tool to go deep in there and break through some of those adhesions. Some of the spots at first we'll just feel kind of like we're scanning is what it's called, just to see if there's any kind of vibration on the tool or areas that are not as smooth as others. And if they're not, that's usually those knots or adhesions I like to find. So we'll break it up following the muscle fiber or going cross friction on the muscle fiber. And that usually helps free the joints and be able to move better with less pain. And that's why we do it. We could always do it over the clothes. A lot of times it's a lot better to do it directly on the skin so we can really get that input. But it allows us to really find those knots and those areas that are causing you pain. And that's the whole goal, is to get rid of that pain.